Hello everybody and welcome to the Tropical Homestead Podcast Knot of the Week. This week we are doing the Alpine Butterfly, which is my favorite knot for creating a loop in the middle of a rope. Pretty basic to tie, just quickly, and untie as well. I'll just quickly show you how I like to do it. Start with the rope draped over your left hand, so going from top to bottom. We then make a loop over your hand and going from the left to the right, and we make one more loop, but instead of going on the right, we are going to go in the middle between the two loops. We are now then going to take the rightmost loop, give ourselves some space, we're going to tuck it over both and then through, and we pull through and then pull this way, and we have the Alpine Butterfly. Now, what makes this knot so good compared to just an overhand knot or a figure eight on the bend or anything like that is that the way that this is actually working, you see the ropes are cinching the bight here. And what that means is that when you are pulling on the rope this way, all the load is still in line, and it's actually only because of this pinch here that it's working. So it means you get very minimal reduction in strength on the knot because you don't have that many pinches. It's just binding in. So one of the most useful knots for just creating a loop in something, if you wanted to have a rope and then clip onto something, or you wanted to maybe you're making a rope ladder or something and a foothold, you have to make it slightly larger, or you're doing what I consider to be the better version of the truckies knot, which uses this one. My favorite knot, and it's easy to tie.